Hi, my name is Gabriela and I am 7 years old. I study at Galen School in Lugo, Spain. I live with my parents, Antonio and Natalia, and my little brothers, Hernan, who is 4, and Tiago, who is 1.5. And this is Days with Pepe. I love playing basketball. Playing the piano. And the violin. But above all, I love pretending I have superpowers and having dangerous adventures. Pipi, do you want to play with me?
I saw her face. Now I'm a believer, not a trace of doubt in my mind. I'm in love. I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried. Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer, not a trace of doubt in my mind. Now I'm a believer, yeah. Now I'm a believer.
We're rich. I love meeting.
I'm a believer, not a trace of doubt in my mind.